You almost hit it.
Where at?
Just tiny bit to the left of the far left one. Oh! I'm surprised you didn't blow it up.
My gun has to cool down, so. Why don't you set up your rifle? Oh, it was just below it.
Just below, okay.
Okay, that's nice. Just do that again.
Okay, here we go.
You got it!
Second shot!
That is awesome! I can't believe you got that.
Wow, okay. High.
Okay, it's high about, it's 12 o'clock, about 8 inches maybe.
Okay.
Oh, you got it! That's awesome, man.
I got 2 more shells and then you can go.
Hey, go ahead.
Chicken is going down.
Gotta find it.
Oh! You
Where did I hit? Man, is it windy. This is 550 yards, so you have to go at least 100 inches high.
Yeah, I'm pretty high here.
Okay.
Give it a shot. Oh,
Oh, you were about 3 feet high at 12 o'clock.
way high, okay.
Oh, almost.
Man!
You got it.
Nice.
Nice.
Killed it! Awesome!
550 yards.
Oh!
I nailed it.
Yep. You were actually a teeny bit high. Okay, 600 yards, chicken shot.
Chicken shot, huh?
Alright, I'll zoom in on the chicken. Way out
Ready
yon.
whenever you are.
Hold on.
Tell me, you got.
Oh man!
Where did I hit?
It looked like you hit right behind it, so you're just a teeny bit high.
Ready?
Okay, we're ready on this end. 600 yard. Ta-ha! Got it.
600 yards.
Nice.
Wow. Okay, I think I'm done.
Nice shooting, Tex.